Alright guys, I'm fabricating a attachment or adapter for this speaker I bought from, that's the name of the speaker. This one goes directly with the OEM amplifier for your Bang & Olufsen. It's windy outside, so anyways. I got the jigsaw cutter to just cut the holes. Well, this is gonna bolt to the body of the car. Then this speaker will go in here. Just like so. Yeah. And this is not just any regular wood, it's called MDF wood. So it's good for car interiors and vibration and whatnot, absorbing. But yeah, I'll show you guys the finished product soon.